Welcome into JJ with Joy. I'm finally finished with this Make It March journal, and I made a nice heavy duty envelope for it. If you haven't been following along this March 2026, there is freebies for you out there. Everything will be listed below. This kit that I used for this journal is from the Serendipitous Crafter, and Gracie calls this Growing into March. So you can find it on her channel. And so anyway, let's get into this. I want to share with you what I did. This fits inside this envelope. Now I used her kit I put the ribbon on the outside, and I used her kit. I did stamp some random stamps just to have them. I sewed around the edges of everything on here. My sewing machine hates me, so therefore I did end up faux sewing on some muslin and then gluing that down, but you wouldn't know it. You would think that it isn't. I made a little, I attached this on here by adding that, and then this little journal just slips right in here perfectly. So it's, wrapped up. It's a very nice little sleeve for it. And then on the back of the envelope is more of her digital kit. And again, this is available to you if you would like. All you have to do is get it go see her underneath. You'll get the details. I'll post them underneath. Now, I used rose gold, and I put the 2026 right there. And then this is rose gold too. And this is made from 2 envelopes as the cover. So the window envelope on the front cover is a little bit bigger window, and the one on the back is a smaller envelope window. So this one was a double window, so I covered one of the windows. But I used some fabric, sewed around all of the edges. Let's get to the front so you can see what I did here. This was one of her digitals here, but I also put one of her digitals under. Let's try to get off of there. I did that so you could have her digital underneath as well, and you can see down, oops, if I don't tear it all up, down inside I covered both sides. So this is her digital here. I did leave the back of that. This just slips in and gives a different view of the window. Very, very cute kit, I must admit. So inside I used her digital here. I did kind of fill in with some random, if I was trying to use up the pages that I had without printing more pages, so I did add, a little bit of music paper and stuff. Now this is part of her digital here, as well as all of this, but I just decided this is not hers. I added that in extra, but I did like how this kind of blends together. And her little bird notes, I sewed around that as well, added a different digital, and added a little butterfly with a little pop, a little bling up there. You can see the bling bling. And then this has a little tuck spot too with one of the digitals, and I left it blank on the inside, and it just slips in that little pocket there, and that is just a little flip-flop there. I did use random pages for the rest. She has some little washi, and that's part of her digital there. And then I blinged this up as well. You guys can see the bling bling there. And then I just I had some cardstock that matched the kit pretty darn good. So I made a little belly band for that and stuck that in there. And here I blinged it up along there. Use that again. I thought that looked like it would be a terrace that this might have been on. And then there's a little page here that is in part of the kit. I think this is the perfect style for her journal, or her journal pages. I really do. This is not hers, but this is, and this is. And so just left it blank on the back. This is part of hers, and I made it into a little tab. Now, this is hers, and this is one page, and part of this went over to this side, but I covered it with another digital that she has. I made a little flip down. This comes open, and then there is inside a little, if I can get it with my finger, and that's not hers, but this is hers. So I think that that's kind of cute. And then I just added this extra on there to keep it closed. And of course, I had long nails when I made this, but now I do not. We'll come back later. I'll finish it. My nails are short now. I just chopped them all off. The frame is not hers, but this is her digital here as well as this. And I did go ahead, and this is hers, but this is not. It's just a piece of a digital that's writing, but I thought that kind of went together. I thought it looks good together. Now over here I did kind of a fun little thing. I have this pretty thread that I guess it's called thread, I don't know. Anyway, I punched the 4 holes out, and I did go ahead and put some transparency stuff on there so she can see. And then I just went in and out of the holes, so each side is got this little bit of this thread on there. And I think that's kind of cute. I like it. This was not hers, but this is, I just had that pre-made, and it goes with the kit pretty well, so I decided to stick it in there. And both of these are her kit. I kind of jazzed it up a little bit, and that's just white on the back of that. And this is Amity Bloom washi tape, and just a random digital or cutout thing. Now this is part of her kit. This is random and a little more bling there. This is hers. And this is a fancy page here. I don't know if you can see the netting. There's netting on this that I put in there. And I have the little girl. This is part of her digital. And then I have the woman with the bicycle again as a base underneath. So you flip this over, and it has a little tuck spot, another writing secret spot, kind of, if you will. And this is her digital as well. It was the other part of this, and I liked it so well, I just added it back in. And there we go. Right there. Very cute. I had asked the digital creators to give me something that was in the blue grays and something that reminded them of March. So this is not anything to do with hers. I had just done a scrap cluster earlier, and I thought those flowers looked good there. The flowers are her digital. This part's her digital, and the rest here is not. The book page and that stuff is not. And then over here, this is part of her digital, and I blinged it up a little bit, trying to have the bling all the way through. This was her digital page, and I just added my little stamp, embossed stamp. Now, same as the front, this had the little peekaboo that pops out. This one has the peekaboo from the top that pops out. So when you pull that out, you get the other side of the, I think it's a similar anyway. And then that's on the back, and I added her little lady in the bicycle. She had one of these on her digital as well. So that is it for the Serendipitous Crafter, and very cute kit. And of course now I can't get it back in. Sure. Why is it not? It always went back in. Of course. Okay, well, we'll get it back in later. That's the way this goes. Anyway, thanks for coming along. I appreciate you guys. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and join me. Get your digitals below. Post anything that you have made from the Make It March into Facebook page or Facebook group JJ with Joy, and I will see you next time. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.